Have you ever had issues with a hole saw getting a little squirrely on you when you're trying to extend the size of a hole or just making another hole in general? Well, here's a quick tip. Take a scrap piece of wood, take the hole saw, drill a hole for the hole saw, then cut that board off into a smaller manageable piece. Then that's where this board comes into play.
Now all I have to do, grab some hot glue, glue on some nice chunks right there, right there. Let's do a couple more for extra measure. Line it up. Now, after that's dry, go and take your hole saw.
The template positions the hole saw perfectly, which makes it extremely easy to drill the hole in place without it getting squirrely on you.
Perfect 1.5-inch hole.
Honestly, you probably don't need to use that much hot glue, as well as I left it on a little bit too long and it did remove the paint, but paint is always easily repairable.